Okay, Ralph, na-check in na. Back stretch, back stretch.
Thank you, Bertie. We have 2 minutes before the start of the race.
Okay, okay, that's it po. Go, 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 rally boys, rally boys. Go, go, go. Next stop, 2-wheel drive buggy. Miles, look. Look. Wag sabay. Isa-isa muna. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Si officers like Ish, Erwin, kung pwede, huwag mo na kayo umuwi mamaya hanggang matapos ang race.
Attention, racers. You have 1 minute before the start of the race.
Ganda mo ko ha. Kasama dyan, server. Pick up. Okay.
Ish! They're both done by 2 o'clock.
Layo.
Now, right.
Oo, yan ang pixel na eh. Nagpipixel pagdating.
John Marco, please take your position.
Okay, racers. Picture na. Dalihan nyo, picture na.
Nice team! Parang pelikula eh, no, nadatapa. Talaga rally. Oo, walang iya naman.
Okay, picture.
Hindi ka na magsasakay sa...
Pagkatapos mo dyan, na tayo.
Sige. May binili ka? Sisim-silim. Mahulog ka dyan.
Okay, picture. Drivers, na-picture na. Okay. Drivers, at the time. Don't forget to block Kenneth, ha. Go! Ha? Ano ito natin? Restart na.
Hindi na!
Okay. Si Miles na nauna. Miles, ha? Kita mo, ha? Bantong kayo. Saan na, Miles? Okay, right. Cameraman, did you get that?
Yes!
What a fantastic start there. It's a fight between Kenneth and Mr. Miles. And look at them. Miles spinning out. Napitik ka ba ni Hardy?
Konti lang.
Masyado malayo. Wala na, lumayo na kagad si Kenneth.
Restart!
And Hardy now moves into second place.
Tumayo pa ulit oh.
Hindi pwede pag sa nationals, hindi pwede masasabi ng ganyan sa martial, ha? Let them do what they wish. It's out there between MJ, I think, with Ralph, our architect moderator. And as he substitutes his Corolla. For mga rally fans out there, right now, this is ongoing World Rally Championship at France, Corsica, wherein the Citroens and the Ford jogging competition, and also we'll miss Paul McCoy after a tragic accident.
Dawa ka dyan, baka ano ka, mahulog. Dawa ka dyan, mami, biglang may bababa, matulak ka.
2 minutes ago, wow, si Miles on the lead. Wow, ayan na si Kenneth. Nako, 1.3 seconds na lang. And Justin, Giboy sa likod mo. Okay, thank you there, Justin. And we have the spaceship there and the chicane.
Huling away na si Miles eh. Siya na naman nandito sa video.
Oh, spinning out there. Oh, very, very dangerous maneuver there. Ayan na. Gusto na ni Miles mag-sit out. Oh,
Assemble ko na yung CBS 10 ko. Sali na lang ako.
Ano bang binili mo sa Kenneth? Oh, kakao, sakitan. Oh, kasi. Okay, and after it, continue.
Layo.
And 50 seconds to go. Two, rough. Makes a mistake there, landing. And wow! Lakas ni KMJ sa stretch, oh. Okay, Jericho.
Marshall po! Ito ka, Marshall!
Ang ating leader. Okay, here are the leaderboard. And Mark, Kenneth, Jericho, Jim, Hardy, Ralph, Bon, Justin, and MJ. 1 minute and 15 seconds to go. And Mark's lead has increased. Oh, tumayo ulit.
1 minute to go.
14.66 seconds. Wala na, laglag na si Kenneth. Wala na siguro yung hydrogen kaya wala ng power. Forty seconds remaining.
Hey!
Oh!
Sige, okay. Tuloy mo lang.
Yung mga gusto mong kapintura dyan, ito na si Ernie, oh. Kapintura kayo, oh. Ito na tago dyan, ano? Kailangan mo gawin mo, ano? Si Ernie, oh. Kapintura kayo. Ito, ayan, oh.
The race is over. Please finish the lap you're on.
Okay, Jericho, you're done. Hardy, you're done. Miles, you're done. And Juan Garcia, you're done. Kenneth, you're done. Si Ron, hindi ka pa tapos.
Yan, record.